Welcome back again to my channel. My name is Nadia. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome and happy new year to every one of you. And we made it. Yes, we made it to this new year. Thank God, and we are so grateful. Yes, I am back with a new video, and this time I'm gonna be using okra. Okay, we're gonna be working with okra, and I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I DIY this okra hair mask, and I hope you guys like and enjoyed this video. I have did a lot of research about okra, and I realized that okra have a lot of benefits. You guys know okra have a lot of benefit when it comes to your health, your hair. Like, it's really beneficial for so many things. So it's also good to grow your natural hair. So I decided to just give it a try. So I have some bunch of okras here, and I'm gonna be cutting them in little pieces like this. As you guys can see, you can just chop them in the little pieces, and you can put it in a pot and add a little bit of water into it and cook it for about 10 minutes. Yeah, so while my okra is cooking, and I'm gonna be adding aloe vera gel into it. I do have a lot of aloe vera in my home because I have the plant, and the plant is growing really amazingly. So whenever I want to do any DIY, I would just go there and get some aloe vera, and it's bio, okay, it's natural, and yeah. So this is my aloe vera, and there you can set it aside. So here is my okra. It's cooking. It has already been cooking for about 5 minutes, so I'm still gonna be leaving it on the fire a little bit to cook, so that it can get really soft and tender to blend. So here is my okra. It has been cooking for 10 minutes. So now what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be pouring it into my blender, and then I will be adding my aloe vera gel into it together, and then I will blend that to a very smooth paste. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, this new year is the year of growth. Okay, so subscribe to this channel and keep supporting this girl. Okay. So yeah, after blending everything, and I'm gonna be adding a corn flour into my little plate, and then I will be adding a little bit of water into it, and I will mix everything together, and then I will add it in the pot together with the blended okra and aloe vera gel, and then I will bring the pot back to fire to cook again for 2 to 3 minutes, and then our okra paste is ready to use. So here is my okra paste, and it's already ready to use, and look at that beautiful color. That green color is just giving me, I don't know, I love green color. Anything that is green is just my favorite. So this color is so beautiful. And then I went ahead to add half cup of olive oil. So at this point, you can also add any oil of your choice, and you just have to mix this paste, mix everything together, and our okra paste is ready to use. Okra is very beneficial when it comes to hair growth, and it's also very good for our body. You can eat it, you can make a gel out of it, and you can also just apply it into your hair. So here is my hair. Is already washed and clean. So now it's time to apply the paste into my hair. So okra is rich in vitamin A, C, and K, and has calcium, potassium, and a lot of other nutrients that are great for hair growth. It also moisturizing a dry scalp and getting rid of dandruff. It also creates a perfect coil definition and makes your hair soft. It was really making my hair soft, and it was really giving me all that beautiful coils that I really wanted. It was really, really soft in my hair. I really love the perfect coil definition of this hair mask. And if you really want to get some coils out of your hair, try this okra mask, and it's really gonna help your hair to coils. So one thing I really have to confess in this video is I should have streamed the okra mask so that I don't have a lot of junks inside. To be honest, there was a lot of cuticles into my hair. A lot. Like, it was really crazy. And I have to wash my head and wash and wash and wash, like wash it so many times. And I still have a lot in my hair right now. So I would advise, if you're preparing this hair mask, you should try and take out all the junks out of it, because you're gonna end up having all that junks into your hair, which you wouldn't like to have at all. It was so annoying. So I actually didn't realize that okra have a lot of chunks, so I should have just take it out with my hose and all of that. So yeah, this is my hair, and I just apply this mask into my hair, and I massage the mask into my hair, and then I cover it with a plastic bag for at least 20 to 25 minutes, and then I open the bag again, and this is basically how my hair was looking. Hair was so soft. It was giving me a lot of coils, and it was really coiling. The perfect coils definition that I got was amazing. So this is basically my hair, and I made this this hair mask on the 1st of January, and I also have my length save on this video, and I really want to grow my natural hair this 2022. Okay, it's a natural hair growth for me. Okay, so yeah, and I will be bringing you guys a lot of tips of how to grow your hair and how to take care of your natural hair. So if you like this content, so please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. So this is it. My hair was looking so beautiful, coils and soft. You know, it was really good. I really love the mask into my hair. So that's it, guys, and I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. If you know you do, please don't forget to give your girl some likes, subscribe, leave your comment below if you have tried okra into your hair, and if you know that you haven't tried okra into your hair, and I would really advise that you give it a try, and you are going to love it. You're gonna love all these coils that is just giving me here. Yeah, so and the meantime, hope to catch you in my next one. Much love, stay safe, stay positive, and bye.